Let's go. Can I get up? Yeah, everywhere. Up, down, left, right. Shorty's moving again. Shorty's loose with the pen. Shorty do with the wind.
What's up, boys? Just bought a new car, man. It's very sentimental to me, man. Reminds me of my one of my first cars. Cadillac CTS, baby. Look at this beauty, man. Cadillac CTS. I'm at a dealership right now. So basically, one of the customers, the car crapped out on them. So they got it. And yeah, this thing's mint, man. Like, what I love about it, this one is way better than the CTS I had before, man. Like, it actually has a straight chassis. Like, this thing is just amazing. So yeah. Oh yeah, what's wrong with it? Anyway, I got this thing for $1,000. It's still at the location. They're not gonna tow it in until like next week. Yeah, they're not gonna tow it in until next week because their driver. But I mean, this thing is so much better than mine. If y'all don't know about these CTSs, they're rear-wheel drive, so that's why I really love them. And yeah, man, like I still remember like when I had my very first Cadillac, and it was just like that thing was like one of my favorite cars. The only problem is it had 188,000 miles, and yeah, man, and like the chassis was not straight at all. It was crashed right there, so I just kind of like BS'd it, made a BS repair. Janky back together, is like zip tied stuff, and it looked like crap, but it drove really well, you know, because the previous guys took care of it. But this one, it has brand new tires. If y'all are interested, I got this thing for $1,000. I'm gonna be paying $1,126 after taxes and everything. And you guys are probably interested. What's wrong with it? The timing chain skipped, man. If y'all don't know about these Alloy Tech or LY7, whatever you want to call it, this type of engine, this 3.6 liter V6 General Motor, they have valve cover breathing issues, and the timing chain, it skipped out. So I confirmed it with the dealer. You know, the guy was really cool, man. He was really honest and everything. So yeah, I just signed the paperwork. I have to go to the bank and get some more cash because I didn't know, because they're a dealer, so they have like fees and all that stuff. So yeah, man, this thing's pretty dope. Hopefully this is gonna be my next daily driver. But yeah. So yeah, man, it's warm, it's nice outside, and this thing is gonna be nice. The timing chain skipped. It's not gonna be a simple fix, I'm gonna tell you that, man. Timing chain issues, nah. But I mean, it has 111,000 miles, so that's kind of really why I did it. I got it. It's also black. I love black cars, man. Especially a black Cadillac, hell. But yeah, I'm glad I bought this thing. The chassis is just really straight, man. Like, a lot of you guys need to realize, so a lot of these people, you know, don't get too caught up in this whole Copart thing, you guys. I'm gonna start walking away because I got somewhere to be. Yeah, you guys, so don't get so caught up in this whole Copart thing and then forget that you can buy cars on Craigslist, all right? I found this car, it was advertised on Craigslist, okay, for $1,000. I had to look at it. First of all, it was a Cadillac CTS, and you know, which means, you know, one of my first cars, I had this car a while ago now, and yeah, man, I really enjoyed that car, man. So it's rear-wheel drive. I really miss rear-wheel drive, man. Like, front-wheel drive is cool and all, but I mean, it gets you want to change after a while, you know. So yeah, I had this thing, and you know, I really like that car, man. So I'm glad I pulled this thing. Hopefully it's gonna make some new things for the channel. And yeah, man. So yeah, man, scanned the codes, made sure everything was straight, everything was right with what he was saying. And yeah, man, I'm going to hopefully it's going to be a cheap new daily, new rear-wheel drive project. As far as my plans for it, I wanted to get new rims for it, but after I heard that this guy, those tires are actually brand new, I'm kind of, I don't know. The stock wheels don't look that great, but The tires are brand new, and I'm more of a functionality type of person more than I am in looks. Anyway, I'm broke. Yeah, I'm pretty broke right now. I literally have no more money in my bank account after I buy this car. So thankfully he's delivering it for me. He's gonna help me deliver it. He's not gonna be able to do it until Monday maybe. So yeah, I'm very happy I bought this car. But yeah, man, the chassis is really straight. I'm pretty happy about this thing, you know. So anyway, about to go pay for this thing. Yeah, a lot of y'all need to realize, if you want to get something for nothing, this is how you get something for nothing. That car over there, perfectly fixed, that car is probably worth about $4,000, okay, with the mileage and everything. I just bought it for $1,000, okay? So that's how you get something for nothing. You got to use your expertise. You got to use your skill set and get things that are undervalued and increase the value, and, that's whatever. I'm not going to sell that car right away just because it's a really nice car, man. Straight chassis. I'm crash damage cars. I don't know. Okay. I just told y'all the name of the car. This car that I'm rebuilding from Copart right now, the frame is definitely bent. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be able to fix it, but that whole scenario is kind of leaving a bad taste in my mouth for crash damage vehicles. I'm just not really into them anymore. This thing I'm leaning towards more like mechanical damage, perfectly clean chassis, just like mechanical issues. So $1,000, that's fair. I'm pretty sure that's fair. But yeah, Alright boys, I am very happy. I am the owner of yet another Cadillac CTS, man. So this CTS is way better than my first CTS, man. The chassis is straight, man. It's black, 111,000 miles. Obviously, the timing chain is skipped, so I've got to fix that. But once I fix that, that thing's gonna be a good car, man. I'm just so happy on how straight the chassis is. Mine compared to my old one, compared to this one right here, mine looked like hell, man. I have pictures of it, man. This was. Yeah, but I'm very happy, man, because I'm definitely, I know how those cars are. They drive very well, man. They drive so well, man. And the thing is, I don't care. I really don't care about, the thing is, I just really wanted a rear-wheel drive, man, because I could, drift in the snow and stuff like that. As far as all-wheel drive, you can't really do burnouts in an all-wheel drive. That's why I don't really like them. But yeah, man, I'm not really an all-wheel drive, Subi kind of guy. But yeah, man, I'm officially broke. I got no money left. Yeah, spent it. I got no income coming in. I guess if what really hits the fan, then I could sell some stocks and stuff like that. But I hope it doesn't get to that point. Anyway, yo, the stock market has really been going up today, really. By the way, I don't know if any of y'all noticed that. Yeah, it really shot up today. I don't know what's going on or what, but it's on a little. It might be a little bullish. I think it's a little bit bullish. So I don't know. I might be looking into a few. I don't know. Yeah, I shouldn't be talking about stocks too much right here because this isn't automotive. It's not really an automotive channel. It's a channel about progress, but I know some of you guys may or may not be into stocks. I don't know, but anyway, I'm about to go back. This car, I'm most likely not gonna get it until Sunday or Monday, so it's all good. Anyway, I'm about to go back. Y'all stay strong, stay healthy, and stay inspired. I'm out. Peace!